is A. Answer should be C. To divide exponential expressions and simplify completely. On this problem, simplify first to end up with an x on the bottom and a y to the 8th on the bottom. Nothing on the top, so you put a 1. Everything's still the negative 2 power. On the right side, you have x to the 5th on top, and on the bottom, you'll have a y to the 3rd. Everything's still to the negative 3rd. Simplify the left-hand side to get x squared y to the 16th on top, and then on the right side you'll have y to the 9th and x to the 15th on the bottom. Flip and multiply x squared y to the 16th over 1 times x to the 15th over y to the 9th. That's going to give you x to the 17th y to the 16th over y to the 9th. And the y's can cancel. You'll be left with x to the 17th and y to the 7th. In this example, we're going to have 2x to the negative 1 y to the 2nd over 3x to the 2nd y to the negative 2. All of that to the 2nd power and divided by 4x to the negative 2y over 2x squared y to the 3rd. All of that to the negative 2 power. On the left-hand side, simplify first. The 2 and the 3 stay where they're at for right now. This goes to the bottom and combines to make x to the 3rd. This goes to the top and makes y to the 4th. Everything is still squared. On the right side, 4 over 2 simplifies. 4 over 2 cancels to just 2 on the top. And this goes to the bottom and merges to make x to the 4th. These cancel out to get y to the 2nd on the bottom. Then you have to go back to the left side and square everything. So if you square everything on the left, it's 4x to the 8th over 9x to the 6th. And you divide by the simplified version of this, so it's going to be x to the 8th, y to the 4th on the top, and on the bottom it's a 4. You have to flip and multiply after that. The first one stays the same. On the bottom stays the same, but over here we're going to multiply now. So that would be 4 over x to the 8th, y to the 4th. Multiply straight across to get 16 x to the 8th over 9x to the 14th y to the 4th. Simplify the x's. Largest one is on the bottom, so it's x to the 6th and then y to the 4th. On the left hand side, make that 2 over 3 to start with, and then x to the 3rd and y to the 4th on the top. On the right hand side, you can make that 3 over 2 with an x on the bottom and a y to the 5th on the bottom. On the left hand side, flip and square. You should have 9x to the 6th over 4y to the 8th. And we will divide that by 9 over 4x squared y to the 10th. This stays the same, but the other one is going to be flipped, and you're going to multiply by that. So that's 4x squared y to the 10th over 9. Notice that you can cancel out here and here. When you go straight across, you have x to the 8th y to the 10th over y to the 8th. So you're left with x to the 8th, y to the 2nd.